So hi everyone, it's me Persuja again, and for today's video is another good day, and this is during time and maliit pa yung ating mga bulilit, and this is Nick John and Gabriel. They are playing basketball, no? So hindi pa masyadong makalakad nito si Gab and NJ. So one of their bonding etong mag-play dito sa court. Gustong-gusto nila 'to kapagka, maglalaro yung kanilang parents, ayan sila din. But now is nagka-LDR na silang dalawa kasi, umuwi na si Gab doon sa kanila and naiwan dito si NJ. But, someday hoping na magkikita rin ng dalawang 'to 'no. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much everyone. Ingat palagi.